Hello my bougie people, welcome back to my channel. I am so ready for the first luxury haul of 2022. We gotta manifest and set the tone right for the rest of the year. So we gotta start with some luxe, right? The haul today is a little bit of a mix of what I got for Christmas and some of the purchases I made after Christmas or maybe even a little bit before. So there's a little bit of everything. For those of you who are new to the channel, I am Erica from Ericasgirlyworld. Welcome. I hope you love it enough here to stay. We talk about luxury, shopping, bougie stuff. We shoot the shit, whatever we feel like doing. Let's go ahead and get started with the first item of this haul, which is this right here. And I have a story about this item because you know I have a story about everything, right? So let me open it up so you can see what it is first. So you don't fast forward on me. Don't you dare fast forwarding on me, okay? I'm just kidding. Check this out. Oh my god, this is my dream leather jacket. If you have not heard of Boda skins, to me it is the most amazing leather jacket maker out there. One of my top favorites for sure. I actually gave a leather jacket from Boda to my husband a couple years ago as his Christmas gift, and I've been wanting one for myself. So let me tell you the story. So I posted on Instagram my Christmas wish list. On my Christmas wish list was a jacket from Boda Skins, and I was gonna buy one for myself. And I tagged Boda because I like to tag everything on Instagram so people know where to buy it if they like it, right? Well, Boda saw my post and they DM'd me on Instagram and they said, "We would love to send you a jacket." And I almost died, okay? Because I legit was going to buy it. To me, I mean, the leather on Boda Skins jackets is absolutely next level. And I have had good leather jackets, guys. I have had expensive leather jackets. This is not my first rodeo. And to me, nothing compares. And then the fit absolutely fits like a glove. So let me show you the detail on this jacket. So beautiful quilting right here. I love all of the hardware details. Zipper right here. I love that you have this detail right here because you can make this a little bit tighter. And then on the front, you have two zippers, which is really nice because then you can decide if you want a loose or cool fit, or if you want it to look a little bit tighter, cinching your waist and showing your body shape. So you can wear this zippered up with the collar kind of like around your neck, looking kind of like very badass, you know what I mean? Or you can open it up kind of like so, you know, if you still want a little bit of marking of your body shape, or you can just open it completely and let it hang and look like $1,000,000. The lining on this is absolutely insane. Look right here, you have the chain with the Boda label. I have purchased leather jackets before that, I don't know, they get kind of like wrinkled, you know, they almost look like they're wrinkled, like they have to be ironed. I actually have a couple right now that I can look on my hanger that kind of just don't look sharp to me. This one, look at this. It is perfection. It is beautiful and structured in the quality of the leather, the quilting, which makes the jacket really structured. Now let me show you how I styled this jacket. Obviously, leather jacket looks good with pretty much anything, fabulous jeans, skirts, shorts, but I wanted to do something a little bit different for you to see, mixing leather with something very feminine. If you want to look kind of like a fashionista, you throw a very feminine dress, killer boots, and a leather jacket, and you look like $1,000,000. So that's exactly what I did, and I think the look turned out amazing. A high quality leather jacket is a must on anybody's wardrobe. Now next on this haul, let's talk Louis Vuitton, shall we? I am so excited about this item. Hello. So let me unbox. So this is my item. So in Erica's Girly World true form, I bought myself a bodysuit, technically a swimsuit, but you guys know I make this as bodysuits all the time. Look at this print, how absolutely fabulous. Look at this back. This looks so gorgeous. So first of all, let me show you the bag. I don't know if you have seen this before, but Louis Vuitton swimsuits come in these gorgeous PVC bags that I love to take to the pool or the beach. You have your big like beach bag, and then in here you can put your wallet, your phone. And then let's talk about the swimsuit, right? This is from the latest collection. This swimsuit was absolutely impossible to find here in the US. It didn't even hit stores. I feel like what is going on right now with the pandemic, and I think all of the shortages, and I think companies are also trying to minimize waste, so they are producing things in even more limited quantities. So if you want a piece, you have to pre-order even before it arrives in stores. Your SA sends you a message. You have to pay in full right then and there to guarantee you're gonna get that piece. If you wait, if you hesitate and think I'll get it when the collection arrives in stores, there will be nothing. And guys, I don't like to pre-order. It's just how I am. Maybe I'm a cheapo, I don't know, but like I don't want to pay in full for something to wait 3 months for it. Like I want to go in, try on, see if I like it. I'll pay it then and there, and I'll walk out with my item. So I am missing out on all of the pieces that I really want. So that was the case with this, but I got lucky because my friend Val went to Paris, just got back from Paris, and she scored this for me. I love the detail of the open back. I think it's very, very sexy. I intend of using this more as a bodysuit because guys, I don't know, I get some comments, some people sometimes get mad at me buying a whole bunch of these bodysuits and wearing them, but I live in Florida. I see these bloggers do these amazing looks like in New York and Canada, and you can do like layering, you know, and you put sweater with a shirt with a coat. That doesn't work for me. It doesn't get cold here for that. I only put coats on right now to take photos for Instagram, or if it's a collab or something like that. I'm not even traveling, you know, to go to cold places. So bodysuits work for me because I can wear this on the beach, and I can wear this with cute skirts, cute pants, cute shorts. You know, you dress for the climate of the place that you live in. There's nothing I can do about that. Next, I have a gift that I got from my daughter for Christmas, which is from Skims. Now, here's the deal, guys. I have a thing that I do not buy anything from the Kardashian-Jenner family. I don't want them to have my hard-earned money. What can I say? It's just how I roll. I think a lot of their products are very low quality, especially Kylie Jenner products. I don't know, it's just a personal rule, right? So when I saw this, I was like, Crystal, you got me Skims? And she's like, yeah, mom, but it's so perfect for what you wanted. So because it is from her, I will accept it. She got me these slippers from Skims, and oh my gosh, they are so soft, so high quality. I wanted slippers that I can walk outside in my pool deck where it's wet, so they're rubber at the bottom. Every year I have a thing with slippers. I wear them all day long at home, and I work from home, so I wear slippers all the time. I couldn't wait to unbox these for you so I can finally wear them. Let's switch gears to shoes, and we are talking Bottega box, Bottega little dust bag, and I got these Bottega knot sandals. I have a lot of lights, but they have a big knot right here, the square toe that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I love Bottega sandals. I wish I could buy them in every style, in every color. Next, let me show you what I got from my sister for Christmas. This is a cheese cutting set from Williams Sonoma. My sister asked what I wanted for Christmas, and I told her, you know, I love to be a hostess, so I am building my collection, like my hostess collection, and I needed cheese cutting knives really bad. I ordered a set from Amazon, and it is so flipping cheesy. I think when you cut the cheese, that thing is gonna freaking bend, okay? So I told my sister, I said, dude, I want a bougie one, okay? Don't come with Amazon, like I want a bougie cheese set. She's like, okay, ma'am, like making fun of me. Oh my gosh, it is heavy. Gold, so beautiful. And this right here is stone. She also gave me the cheese board, which has a gold edge right here. This is pure marble, also from Williams Sonoma. My daughter also gave me for Christmas this body butter from Truly called Unicorn Body Butter. Okay, so I turned off the lights so you can actually see this a little bit better. Check this out. How delicious does this look? Look at this. I mean, we used it a little bit already, right? So, but look at this rainbow, and the smell is absolutely amazing. I'm so happy she gave it to me because just opening this, the smell is absolutely unreal. I now want the entire collection from Truly. The other thing my daughter gave me was the set of mascaras from Essence, and I discovered Essence during a trip to Germany, and I bought their mascara and I got hooked. overlooked. It is so inexpensive, but it's so good. And now let's talk Versace, my people. So, you know, this whole discussion of Versace, because if you don't say Versace, people are like correcting you, and it is so much work to say Versace that I want to say Versace, okay? I know how things are pronounced. I am not speaking Italian or French, or, you know, we are in America. So I'm going to say things with an English accent because I think it comes across terribly arrogant and snooty when you are saying Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Balmain. You know what I mean? Like, it's trying too hard, people, okay? So I know how it's pronounced, but you guys know that being snobby is not how I roll. So we're gonna look at my Versace gift from my husband. Let's open it up. Check this out. It is a robe. Very, very crazy, colorful, out there Versace robe, which is exactly what I wanted. So let me show you. The back is all blue, and then you have one sleeve that is green with the Versace Medusa Baroque print right here, and then the other sleeve is pink with the same print, and then the front is a festival of colors with the belt, which is also Baroque print. So here's the dealio on this, okay? I wear robes all day long, okay? Call me Erica Hefner because I am like Hugh Hefner. I wake up, I put my outfit on. My house is always very cold because my husband likes it freaking Antarctica level here, okay? And I throw my robe on top and I stay like that the entire day wearing my slippers and my robe. I just want to be cozy and happy, and like I said, I work from home, and I wanted a very flamboyant robe because you guys know my personality is very flamboyant and colorful, and I cannot go out looking like a clown, so I am gonna be my true self at home looking like a clown, okay? So this is also really perfect because I film a lot of my bougie TikTok videos, you know, and I am this bougie persona on TikTok. And this is the perfect robe for my bougie persona, okay? So I'm super pumped. So there you go. This is my ultra bougie Versace robe. Let's put the belt. Oh, hello, darling. Next on this haul is the gift I got from Crystal's boyfriend, which is this adorable little twin stars makeup brush sets. Look at how cute these are. One is blue and one is pink, and it is all transparent, and it has little stars inside. Check this out. I'm in love. I wasn't even expecting anything from him. He is just so nice, kind of like part of our family now. Okay, next we have some Versace again, which are Versace slippers that I have purchased for myself actually before I got the robe. So they're not exactly coordinated with the robe, but hey man, I'm gonna look like a bougie clown at home. I am totally cool with that. But I found these for a very good deal and I had to pull the trigger. Now here's the thing, these do not have rubber underneath, you know, so for like, I don't know, day to day going outside, I'm gonna wear the ones that my daughter gave me from Skims, and this is gonna be more for like special occasions or if I have visitors, you know what I mean? They have the entire set with the robe matching as well. I don't know if it still exists. If it does, I will make sure to link it below, but I got it for an incredible deal. Next on this haul is this from a brand called Noiranca that I wanted to make sure to show to you. This is something that I also got for free as a PR gift, but no commitment to show on YouTube. I don't show on YouTube all of my PR gifts because, you know, YouTube is a lot of work. To be featured on my YouTube, you gotta pay some dough, boo-boo, okay? Unless it is something that I really, really love that I must show you guys, and that's the case with this because I'll explain to you. Look at this bag. This is a vegan leather bag. I had been searching high and low for a vegan leather bag to recommend to you because many of you ask me about this, and we know about Stella McCartney. You know, she has vegan leather bags, but you know, it's kind of like a lot of the same. I wanted something different and something special. So when they contacted me about these bags and I looked at the bags and the quality and the designs, I said, I want them because this is something I will truly rock shock in my real life. The designs are so unique and so original. I mean, how fashion blogger is this? This is so fashion forward. The quality is incredible, and it comes with a strap. Check this out. So you can make this a shoulder bag or a super fufu blogger bag. The name of the company is Noiranca. I actually got 3 bags from them. They have this design in a mini size that is gorgeous as well. The prices are so reasonable and they pack such style. Because here's the thing, if you are going for mid-range bags, you don't go for the name, for the logo, you go for the quality and the design. Now back to shoes, we're gonna talk Jimmy Choo. This is one of the things I don't like about Jimmy Choo. You only get 1 dust bag, and when I'm paying $1,000 for a pair of shoes, I want 2 dust bags because I want each shoe in a different dust bag so they don't scratch each other. You know what I mean? So Jimmy Choo, let's fix this, okay? I got these black sandals from Jimmy Choo. What can I say? These sandals to me are one of the most beautiful, sexiest sandals I have ever seen in my life. I wasn't even looking really for these sandals like this, and I tried it on and I had to have them. These sandals are so sophisticated, so chic, and so sexy. Like I cannot even tell you how in love I am with these sandals. I am on a current Jimmy Choo kick because I think Jimmy Choo shoes are very classy, very sophisticated. They don't have logos, meaning you can match your shoes with everything. The shoes are gonna be in style forever. So it is a very good investment. It is a wise purchase. So I think in the midst of the crazy purchases that we make with the logos, because you guys know I like my logos, I like the real current styles, you do need to make some wise purchases to balance things out, because if you have a crazy top with a print or a crazy dress, you do need some shoes that are a bit classier and sophisticated. I currently am not very much into platform shoes, unless we are talking about the super hot Versace shoes, and also there is an equivalent version from Valentino. Those are the 2 only platform exceptions that I will make right now. Other than those shoes, I don't think platform sandals or shoes look very sophisticated. This to me is the epitome of sophistication and sexiness. I mean, you are one classy bitch, okay, if you are wearing this. It's all I'm gonna say. Every woman that can afford luxury shoes needs a pair of these sandals, and they come in several different colors. I'm gonna leave the link for you below, but these are a must. Last item on this haul is a gift from my boo-boo. He bought this for me as well, and it is Balenciaga. I have been wanting this for a while. Are you ready? I got the Balenciaga hourglass bag. This bag is in size extra small. So my favorite sizes are the small and the extra small. I have been wanting this bag since this bag launched when nobody knew about it. Nobody wanted it. Like when it first came out, I laid my eyes on it. You guys know I love me a structured bag. So the moment I laid my eyes on this Balenciaga, I wanted one for myself. I think this shape is so gorgeous, so innovative, so different than everything that is out there right now. And I have been wanting a yellow bag so bad. And when I saw this yellow, I absolutely fell in love. So it comes with a strap that you can use crossbody, shoulder bag. Now here is the best part about this bag that I was not expecting, my people. My phone is the iPhone 13 Pro, I believe. Not the normal and not the huge one, the middle one. I think it's the Pro. It fits my phone no problem, with space to spare. I can still put my card holder in here, lipstick. I couldn't even believe it. I was counting that it wouldn't fit, but look at this. I am so happy. I got it in the croc print, which I normally don't get bags in croc print because I think it's super cheesy. It's like an imitation of real croc. But in the hourglass bag, I do think that the croc print looks a lot cooler and a lot more expensive and refined than the regular leather. I think the regular matte leather just looks kind of boring. Like, it does not elevate the bag. This is kind of like a cool toned yellow. It's more spacious than the Hermes Mini Kelly for sure. It fits my phone. So this is is it for my Christmas haul, but I want to do a haul with my daughter and my husband, showing you what they got for Christmas, because Scott got some Louis that I think my boys are going to enjoy, and Crystal got her first Van Cleef piece. That's the next video coming up. Stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed looking at all of the goodies, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.